How's it going, YouTube? Today we're working on a 2023 GMC Canyon. This is the elevation model, but it should all be the same, pretty much the same style door panel. All you'll need is a plastic pry tool, a pick, and then a size 7 socket. Super simple door panel to take off. You're gonna have one cover behind the grab handle. Let's go ahead and use your pick and pull that out. There's gonna be a little cutout for your pick so you don't damage the actual rubber. Then you're gonna have one bolt underneath the door panel. You're gonna have two in the grab handle. All right, now we have all of our bolts out, so we'll go ahead and grab our plastic pry bar and go ahead and work our perimeter. Just start at the bottom and kind of work your way up. The bottom ones come out pretty easily. It's the corners that sometimes give you issues on these. So just kind of take it slow once you get to the top. There's like two that are kind of a pain. So that one actually popped off pretty easily. So then we'll just kind of shimmy our way up, and bam, that's the back door. Now we'll move on to the front door. Before we move on to the front, I just want to kind of show you these pins. This is that top one I was talking about. So you can kind of see the top of the door panel. See how that one's a different pin compared to these other ones that go around the rest of the door. So there's two of these on both sides and they're kind of a pain, so just be careful with that one. All right guys, now we're on the front door, same process. We'll grab our cover off. Then we'll have those two bolts, we're gonna snag those out. You're gonna have the two on the bottom. Now that we have our bolts out, we can go ahead and get the door panel off. So once again, grab your plastic pry bar. Just kind of work your way around. This one's not as bad as the back door with those pins. And then you just shimmy up. So there you go, that's the back door and the front door panel on a 2022 GMC Canyon. Thanks for watching.